A is for apple, and O and ant. A is for apple, or A for ant. Apple, A ant. B is for ball or bat. B is for ball, or B for bat. B ball, B bat, B bat, B bat. C brings us cat and car. C is for cat, or C for car. C cat, C car, C car, D car. Now D dances in the dog and duck. D is for dog, or D for duck. D dog, D duck, D duck. As we sing along, let's clap our hands and stomp our feet. E is for elephant and egg. E is for elephant, E for egg. E elephant, E egg, E egg, E egg. F is for fish and frog. F is for fish, or F for frog. F fish, F frog, F frog, F frog. G gives us goat and grapes. G is for goat, or G for grapes. G goat, G grapes, G grapes, G grapes. And H hops in with hat and house. H is for hat, or H for house. H hat, H house, keep yours, keep yours. Keep your ears open for the rhythm and rhyme. I is for igloo and ice. I is for igloo, or I for ice. I igloo, I ice, I ice, I ice. J is for jelly and jump. J is for jelly, or J for jump. J jelly, J jump, J jump, J jump. K is for kite and kangaroo. K is for kite, or K for kangaroo. K kite, K kangaroo. And L is for lion and lollipop. L is for lion, or L for lollipop. A lion, a lollipop. Let's keep going. M is for monkey and moon. M is for monkey, or M for moon. M monkey, a moon, a moon, a moon. N is for nest and night. N is for nest, or N for night. N nest, and night, and night, and night. O is for owl and ocean. O is for owl, or O for ocean. O owl, O ocean, O owl, O ocean. Now P brings us penguin and pizza. P is for penguin, or P for pizza. Penguin, P pizza. Q is for queen and quail. Q is for queen, or Q for quail. Q queen, Q quail, Q quail, Q quail. R is for rabbit and rainbow. R is for rabbit, or R for rainbow. R rabbit, R rainbow, R rainbow, R rainbow. S is for sun and star. S is for sun, or S for star. S sun, S star, S star, S star. T is for tiger or tree. T is for tiger, or T for tree. T tiger, T tree, T tree, T tree. U is for sun and umbrella and unicorn. U is for umbrella, or U for unicorn. Unicorn, U umbrella, U unicorn, corn. Oh, V is for volcano and violin. V is for volcano, or V for violin. V volcano, V violin, V violin. W is for whale and watermelon. W is for whale, or W for watermelon. W W watermelon, watermelon. X marks the spot for xylophone. And X-ray, X is for xylophone, or X for X-ray, xylophone. X X-ray, X X-ray. Y is for yacht and yo-yo. Y is for yacht, or Y for yo-yo. Y yacht, Y yo-yo. And Z wraps it up with zebra and zip. Z is for zebra, or Z for zip. Z zip, Z zebra, sing along.